guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been kind of MIA for the last few weeks, but I've just been getting some things done and I've been just kind of busy with work and school. If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming by and watching my video, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell so that you can get any notification on when I upload a video. But to my OG subscribers, welcome back to another video. So this video is a video that I've been wanting to do for a while now, but I'm just now getting to the point where I'm prepared, I guess, or ready. It's going to be my updated apartment updated apartment tour. Just now getting to the point where I'm comfortable to even do this video, or feel like my place is where I'm content, where I'm like, okay, I think I'm ready for it to be, shown. It took me over a year. So I'm gonna stop rambling and we are going to go ahead and get into this apartment tour. Okay, so when you first walk into my apartment, this is what you see. Like, I have this little foyer area. We have this little stand and stuff, in my little key rack and everything. I guess I will tell you guys where I got most of this stuff from. But yeah, this is like, here's my door. So as soon as you walk in, I have my little key rack that I believe I got from Burlington Coat Factory. Then you have this little lamp and this little table. This lamp I got from, I think I got this one from, no, I got this one from Home Goods. Yeah, I got that one from Home Goods. And then this little stand right here, I think I got this little stand from Ross, and I got this flower from Burlington Coat Factory as well. Throughout this whole place, y'all, you will hear me say the same three stores: TJ Maxx, Ross, Burlington's, Home Goods, Marshalls, whatever. So next I have this little stand. I didn't know what to do with this little area, just because it's kind of like a bar area, but then again, like, I feel like it's not enough room for a bar area. So I just put this little thing here. But yeah, it's this little stand, and I just kind of put some Louis Vuitton boxes there, like some other little decor that I had, just kind of put something on it. There's my degree. I went to Mississippi State University, Hell State, and my cowbell. Next is this little bar area. So this is just kind of what I put up here. I got a candle up here, of course, from Bath and Body Works, and the stand. I got these little balls and this little thing. I got all of this from the At Home store. And then I have a little, I guess it's humidifier, the little thing you put the essential oils in. So yeah, I have that going. And then there's like a little coat closet right here. I'm not going to open that because it is a mess. And so as you're walking in, this is my living room. All of this stuff right here, there's me. Hi. So this mirror right here is from Burlington Coat Factory as well. These candlesticks, those candles, and those vase, they are all from At Home store. And this mirrored table right here is from Amazon. That's where I ordered that from. And then we're gonna come over here, and this is like my living room area, like my favorite area of my house. So my couch, my furniture is from Great American Home Store. All of these pillows and everything, Burlington's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. Yeah, I think that's pretty much where all of these pillows from. That blanket is from like TJ Maxx, I believe. These blankets are from TJ Maxx. This little thing I got that holds this stuff is from the At Home store. This rug I think I got from Ross. Yeah, I think I got that from Ross. Those photos up there, these two, I got these from the At Home store. This is from Home Goods, I believe, or Burlington's, one of them. Anyways, and this mirror right here, I found it at Burlington. I really was so surprised and glad that I found this. I was like, oh my God, I'm in love with it. I have to get it. And then I have this little area right here. Those candlesticks, I think I got from At Home store. This is from Burlington's. This little gray stand I got from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx, Burlington's, or Ross. If y'all want to sponsor me one day, go for it. Please. Girl, love your stores. But this little candle holder I got from Burlington's. Photo frame from TJ Maxx. This little ball, Where did I get this from? Let me see if I didn't have a ticket on it. I think I got it from like Home Goods, maybe Burlington's. I'm not sure. This flower I think I got from Burlington's, and this vase, Home Goods or Burlington's, I believe. I think one of the stores, guys, one of them. And then I have my candles, my curtains hanging right here. I got all of that from Burlington's, the sheer things, the blackout curtains and the rod. Then I have my little area over here. And I got that clock on the wall from Burlington's. I found that. This is from TJ Maxx. That flower is from Home Goods. That's my little Wise camera. That little gold thing right here is from Ross. TV from Target, soundbar. And disregard my thing right here. It's kind of broken. And I got that from IKEA. So here is my little office area, sit down area. Sorry about the cords. They look a little ghetto right now. But anyways, and those are my boots I just had on. But yeah, as you notice, this right here is the same one that was kind of over there. Ross. I got this light from Ross, I think, as well. Ross is a great place to get some furniture, cute furniture. And then here's this little sitting area. I am still looking for another chair like this. I'm trying not to buy a whole another set of chairs, but I feel like I may have to because I want another one for right here. So for now, it's just been like this, just sitting here by itself. But yeah, I had got that chair from Ross and I cannot find another one. So I just keep my fingers crossed. This little thing right here is from Burlington's. I think I got that from, yeah. And then I have a little picture and stuff with me and my daddy. And then here's my little area. I got this mirror over here. I got this mirror from Home Goods, I believe. Yeah, it was Home Goods. And then my ring light. And then I have this photo up over here. And then this is my little desk area where I work. So my printer, my laptop, anything like that. So that's where I do my work and everything. And I have my little picture with family and friends up here. I'm very family oriented if you did not know. So next is my kitchen. I mean, it's just a basic kitchen, I guess. So disregard my water bottle. I'm drinking that. Doing better on my water. But yeah, I have my wine bottles. It's not really much to explain in here. So yeah, that is my kitchen. A little pantry right here. Got some stuff in it, but not too much. I do stay in a 1-bedroom, so this is like a very small apartment. So I've definitely grown out of this apartment. It's like my little 1-bedroom, but it's my first starter apartment, so it's all right for now. But I definitely want to get into a bigger apartment, maybe like a 2-bedroom or something. But anyways, this is my bathroom. Nothing special. Got all my stuff everywhere. I'm thinking about replacing this and moving this and putting like a clear acrylic stand with my makeup. This is my fan, y'all. I get hot in here. Disregard it. And then right here, I really don't want to show this because it's messy, but this is where my wash machines are and like a bunch of storage stuff is. And then I have my clothes basket, and that's what I'm thinking about, moving that and putting some type of stand there where I can sit my makeup on, or put it over here, not sure yet. Then that's my shower curtain and all of that. So I have my robes and stuff hanging up here. But yeah, and then I have this little setup right here that's kind of in this little foyer-way, as you can see when you're walking in. I still gotta find some more stuff to put up on that. I got that from TJ Maxx or Marshall's. That cross I got from At Home store. My mom gave me that little thing. And this vase I got from At Home. That little silver thing I think I got from At Home too. And the stuff on top, I think like TJ Maxx or something. Alrighty, so next, this is my bedroom. So as you can see, my colors all around my house are the mauve, the gray, the white, the crystal theme or whatever. So yeah, this is my bedroom. So I think I got this photo from TJ Maxx. A lot of this stuff appears from Burlington's. I think I got this from Ross, Bath and Body Works, TJ Maxx, or Burlington's. I think I got that from. These two are from TJ Maxx, and these are from Burlington's. I don't want to show my closet, but my closet is kind of messy, I guess. I have shoes and bags and clothes and stuff for days. Okay, yeah, that's enough of that, because that is. And then I need to dust these mirrors because they're dusty. I got these mirrors from the At Home store, I believe. And these little pictures up here, I got those from Burlington's, I believe. That crown up there I found from Burlington. Burlington's is a great spot as well. These little end tables, I got those from Great American Home Store, as well as my bed. All these pillows and stuff right here, blankets, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Ross, all of those. Got my same curtains in here. And then I have my little setup over here. My little mirror and stuff. I got that mirror from Home Goods. That little chair, I think I got it from Ross, but I'm not entirely sure. That little black mannequin, I got that from Hobby Lobby. Yes, Hobby Lobby. And then my picture is right next to my TV. They are from Burlington's Coat Factory. That little ottoman thing right here is from Wayfair, I believe. This is my house shoes. This rug is, I do not remember where this rug is from. Probably TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, one of those. I had another one over here, but I picked it up because it kind of got dirty. But yes, that is pretty much everything in my house. Like I said, it's very small, but it's like perfect for me. And I hope you guys enjoyed my little apartment tour, updated apartment tour. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.